Hello guys, welcome to the 19th session of using Microsoft Boot Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to publish boot on Facebook Messenger. I have already opened developer.facebook.com. Click on Create New App. Give a name for your app and write mail ID to associate with it. Click on Create, write CAPTCHA. Our app is created. Here, we have created an app for Messenger, so click on Setup button of the Messenger. Now scroll down. Here we need to select a page to associate with it. I want to create a new page, so click on Create New. Select Company. Select Education in the category. Write a name for the page. Click on Create. Let us refresh this page. Select a page that we have created from this drop-down and allow required permissions. Copy page access token and paste it into both services page token field. Next is setting up webhooks. Here we need to enter callback URL that is copied from boot service. Same for verify token. Then we need to subscribe to various events available for the messenger. Here I am just interested in the message, so I am selecting it and click on verify and save. Then select a page on which that event will be subscribing. After this, click on settings. Copy Facebook app ID to both service and also app secret. Here we need to enter a password for security reasons. Now we need to obtain Facebook page ID. For this I am using this site. The link for this is available in description or resource. Here we need to paste URL for our Facebook page. Copy this and paste it here and click on save button. We can enable or delete this channel. Now I am going to test this boot. For this, we need to add test users. For this, click on roles. Scroll down and click on create tester. Here we need to write user details. I am adding my another account here. Copy page URL and open in the different browser. Let us click on a send message. Let us write hi. Here we got a welcome message and enter name and age. Here we got a success message. Till now we are not published our boot. To publish an app, we need to open Messenger settings. Scroll down and select option that is appropriate for your requirement. I am interested in page messages, so click on it. Here I am not setting up app details such as an icon, category and policy URL, so this button is disabled now. After this, we need to click on submit button and we need to make a one-time payment of $99. Let us see what we have learned in this session. To publish an app in Messenger, we need to log in to developer.facebook.com and create a new app. Click on Setting up Messenger. For this we require a page, so create a new one or select from existing. Then copy page token to both services. After this, we need to copy webhook details from both services and paste to webhook and also select events. Then we are obtaining Facebook app ID, secret and page ID. Then we have added tester to test our bot in Messenger. and publish it after testing. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.